This is Tangier. This is the playa. They call it the playa. This glass box here is like a lift system. It goes underground. There's a car park. This is the famous Hotel Solazor. And then there's another hotel there. This one's quite famous. On there's very nice views. I haven't been up there, but you know. And then you got these lights. This used to be the old port, but they made it into restaurants and stuff like that. This is the sand. You can't see now, it's at night time, but you got the beach there. And then here's like the mountainous areas of, you know, when you go around. These are like cafes and hotels, villas and stuff. And then obviously in the daytime you might see Spain. Okay?